Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. We have made it halfway through the week. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. But we will keep today's video as short, sweet, and to the point as possible. I just wanted to bring a little bit something different. I know a lot of our job leads are in the healthcare field or technical customer service, and this one is just a little bit different. Cox Automotive Group is hiring a technical customer care specialist. Now, don't be fooled. I know the name says technical customer care, and you're thinking this is just another tech customer service job, but it is not. They are hiring remote within the United States. But they are looking for someone to manage a variety of interactions with their clients via phone, email, and other methods of communication. Someone to professionally manage a variety of questions and concerns from their clients regarding technical inquiries for dealer management software, responsible for tracking client inquiries, troubleshooting, and resolving product issues. You will analyze types of documents for dealership transactions, including funding, registration, tilting, aftermarket providers, and dealer process documents. You'll use front-end document design tools, code fills, and add data binding to the documents. You'll utilize in-house tools to configure documents and validations and calculations. You'll use critical thinking skills and problem-solving skills on a variety of issues, and you'll follow up with clients in a timely manner. You'll have to make sure you correctly document all work in a case management system. So while this position does include a little bit of technical support, you'll also be analyzing documents and designing documents. Now, this one does not require any college degree. They do want someone who is customer and client focused, the ability to work effectively both as individuals and as groups. Someone who has great attention to detail, great organization skills, and can multitask. If you have knowledge of JavaScript, that is a plus, but not required. They do want someone who can be professional, think critically and analytically, and have problem-solving skills. Now, this position does pay fairly well. It starts out at $15.53 an hour and goes all the way up to $23.32 an hour. And of course, the hourly rate is always dependent on experience and location, but this position is eligible for additional compensation outside of the hourly rate, including commission or incentive pay. In addition to commission or incentive pay, they do have a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.